Now we're going to take a look at adding and subtracting square roots with three terms. Okay, so again, it's very similar to what we have to do with two terms. We still have to look at our radical parts and see whether or not they're the same. In this case, they're not the same. We have three terms. And if I look in this radical, I have the square root of 2. Now we know we can't reduce that anymore, right? So I'm going to keep that 8 times the square root of 2. We can't pull anything out. 2 is a prime. Okay, and then my square root of 72, I have 3, and I can say that 2 times 36, right? Because 2 times 36 is 72. And then with my square root of 8, let's do 2 times 4, right? The more you guys practice this, the more you're going to be comfortable with knowing what your perfect squares are. So now I'm going to go ahead and I find a perfect square here and here. So let's go ahead and rewrite everything. I have 8 times the square root of 2 minus 3 times, now the square root of 36 is 6. So I'm going to pull out a 6. And I'm still left with a 2 inside there. Plus, the square root of 4 is 2, so that comes out. And I'm left with a 2 inside there. Okay, so I have 8 times the square root of 2 minus 18 times the square root of 2 plus 2. Times the square root of 2. Now if I look, all three of my terms have a square root of 2. So I can factor out my square root of 2, and I'm left with 8 minus 18 plus 2. 8 minus 18 is negative 10 plus 2 is a negative 8. So I simply have a negative 8 times the square root of 2.